not cooperating. Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambie. I hope you guys are well and are staying safe at home. Few days ago we harvested a lot of cherry tomatoes, and there is no refrigerator in this village because there is no proper current supply, electricity supply, and the current goes off and it takes months to come back. So there's no point having a refrigerator really. So I'm on a spree to finish my tomatoes, and today I'm going to share a very simple kangsoi recipe. This is a recipe from Manipur. This is something that a close friend of mine had shared with me, and it's a tomato kangsoi. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Required to make this dish are 2 medium-sized potatoes, 2 tomatoes. I've made use of cherry tomatoes, 3 to 4 fermented fish. You can also make use of dried fish or smoked fish, 1-inch piece of ginger, 3 to 4 chillies, and coriander for garnish, and salt to taste. I'm making use of 2 medium-sized potatoes, 2 small potatoes rather. I'm keeping the skin because the skin has a lot of vitamins and it tastes really good as well. So I'm just going to slice them into small slices, thin slices, and put them in the pot. You can even use a mandolin if you have one to thinly slice, but it might be a little too thin if you use a mandolin. So while the potatoes are cooking, let's slit the chilies and cut the tomatoes and chop the coriander. This, my baby's what's remaining of baby's discovery of permanent marker. It's ready. Let's see if the potatoes are cooked. Now let's add in the dry fish. Caterpillar, why are you walking to your death? Turn back! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go. Let the dry fish cook for about 5 minutes and release its flavor and amazingness. So most of the northeastern dishes are very simple and the smoke. No, I'm not a sinner. Yeah, so I was saying most of the I will say it, okay? Most of the northeastern dishes are very simple, and we are such frugal eaters, and our dishes comprises of very simple ingredients that are available in the backyard. Yet when the dish is cooked, it has so much of depth and so much of flavor. It has so much of earthiness. There's no showdown of masala or garam masala. It's very simple and very healthy and such good food. And like this one, I'm sure it's going to be amazing. It looks very simple from the outside, but I'm sure it's going to have depth of flavor. So did I tell you guys, this is a Manipuri dish, and it's called a kangsoi. And there are many different types of kangsoi that you can make. This is the simplest of all, and like I said, I harvested a lot of tomatoes and I'm on a tomato finishing spree, so I'm making a tomato kangsoi. I'm sorry. So these leaves are called the fish mint leaves, and it's called jamarda in Khasi if I'm not mistaken. See, and they taste like fish, they smell like fish. You can eat them raw and you can make a good and delicious chutney with it as well. And I heard that it has a lot of antioxidants and it's really good for health. So maybe in my next recipe I'll make like a chutney or a side to go with rice with tomatoes, because I have tomatoes to finish. Okay, so let's add the tomatoes. And the chili. Add a little bit of salt as well. I've forgotten the ginger, so I'm just going to quickly go and grab a ginger and peel it, because you're going to have to add the ginger at the end. Let this cook for another 5 minutes. About 1-inch piece of ginger should do. So let's add the ginger. Smoke. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Until then, take care, stay safe and stay indoors.